Welcome back to another video. So I'm sure the cat is out of the bag here. If you're taking a look at the blank right here, this video is going to be one of a few to show you how I make my signature Tulip Table Base. It's by far the most asked about item that I have on Instagram. Everybody wants to know how to make it. In particular, obviously the center tulip part. And I'm going to show you right now. You really only need two things to do it. You need a bandsaw with at least 10 inches in height cutting capacity, and you need 6 2x12s glued together, 14 inches high. I've got my pattern drawn on two sides, which is the key, and really the whole idea behind cutting this is the same as cutting a cabriolet. So right now we're going to cut one side, and then we'll come back, see what it looks like, and explain what we do from there. So stay tuned after I make this cut. Make sure you keep this piece. Initial cut on the blank on one side. I'm going to take my pieces that I just cut off and I'm going to tape them right back in place. And then that way, when I flip it to cut this side, I'm nice and stable on the cutting surface. So I've got some Gorilla Tape here. Let's tape this up and make the other cut, and we'll be right back. So stay tuned. So I've got the cutoff pieces taped back on to my blank. I can see the pattern nice, and I'm ready to make the cut. One thing to note when I made the first cut is, if you notice, I made it in one pass on both sides. So when I was taping these back on, they were solid pieces that I was taping back on. If you make each cut, say, in like 3 or 4 sections, and you have to tape back on 3 or 4 sections, it becomes that much harder to make this second cut and to tape everything back up. Because when I start making this cut, it's going to want to give away a little bit and come apart. So if you can do it on one pass, it's your best shot to keep everything nice and stable through the final cut. So let's cut this up and unveil the tulip. there it is, guys. The signature tulip right here before your eyes. So hope you enjoyed this video, how to cut it. I hope that you learned a lot from it and maybe try your own. So leave a comment in the section. Let me know what you think, and you know, we'll talk soon. Thanks for tuning in.